everyone, welcome to Math with Miss Sheehan. Today we're going to be looking in our Learn book. So if you want to find that, we will kind of get started here. We're going to be on page 41, so I'll show you right what it looks like in a second. You will need a pencil, and that's just about all. Maybe your brain. Don't forget about your brain. Okay, so this is what it looks like on page 41. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to go through the questions and then I'll show you on my whiteboard what my answers look like. So it says on number 1, letter A, one row of an array is drawn below. Complete the array with X's to make 3 rows of 4. Draw horizontal lines to separate the rows. So remember, rows go this way, columns go up and down. So you can see they already have given you a whole row. So we need to make it so there are 3 rows of 4. So I'm going to draw that, you draw that on yours. Okay, this is what mine looks like. As you can see, I have, other side. I have 3 rows and there's 4 in each row. And so if we want to skip count, we would say 4, 8, 12. So our answer is going to be what? 12. Okay, so you can write 12 on letter A, and then we're going to go down to letter B. It says draw an array with X's that has 3 columns, so that's up and down, of 4. Draw vertical lines to separate the columns. So I'll show you what that looks like. You can write yours down and we'll see if we have the same answers. Okay, this is what mine looks like. So as you can see, I have 3 columns up and down, and they have 4 X's in each column. So I drew some lines to separate them, as you can see right there. And then we're going to want to make a adding sentence. So we added the number 4 together 3 times. So we're going to say 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, what does it equal? 12 is your answer. And then 3 rows of 4 is going to equal 12. 3 columns of 4 is still going to equal 12. Nice job. All right, number 2 says draw an array of X's with 5 columns, up and down, and in each column you'll have 3. So let's draw that. 5 columns with 3 in each column. You can draw a vertical line between each one to help separate it for you. This is what mine looks like. As you can see, I have 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each one there's 3. So we can skip count by 3s to figure out our answer here. We can say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. All right, 15, you can write your answer in there and then circle it. And then we'll go down to letter B. In this one, it says to draw an array of X's with 5 rows. So that's going to be side to side. And there's going to be 3 in each row. So let's do that. 5 rows with 3 in each row. Okay, so here's what mine looks like. 5 rows, and there's 3 in each row. So I can still skip count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so then if I was going to be making a repeated addition problem for that, I would say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, what did it equal? 15. Good. 5 columns of 3 equals 15, and 5 rows of 3 equals 15. All right, we can go on to the next page now, page 42. You're going to be doing the same thing. So let me read it to you. It says, draw an array of X's with 4 rows, this way, of 3. So 4 rows that have 3 in each row. So why don't you try that, and I'll do it down here. Does yours look like this? So I have my 4 rows, and there's 3 in each row. So I can skip count by threes to add them together. 3, 6, 9, 12. And then if I was going to be adding them, I added together 3 a lot. So I'm going to say 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. 4 rows of 3 equals 12. Okay, so you can try number 4 and number 5 on your own. And then we're going to skip to page 45. You don't have to do page 43. You can if you want. Page 45 is kind of like our problem solver. It's just not in our notebooks because they were almost full. So I'm going to read it to you, and then you can draw a picture and see if you can solve it. So it says Charlie has 16 blocks in his room. He wants to build equal towers with 5 blocks each. 5 blocks each. Draw a picture of Charlie's towers. So for this one, you're just going to have to start building towers. I would suggest your towers would be with little circles, and you're going to see how many full towers he can create using 16 blocks. I'll give you a clue. He might not use all of the blocks. Okay, you guys did a great job today. The other thing you can do after you're done with this is you can either choose to do Zern, Freckle, or extra math. We'll see you tomorrow.